Hi, I'm Kurt Walter. I'm the owner and manager of Walco Seed Cleaning, and we're based in Balaclava in South Australia. We clean and grade seed for farmers in the mid-north and areas around South Australia so they can maximise the return on investment with the minimum of fuss and have it done professionally. We've had a few of our clients come back to us and say that the real benefits that they have is not only saving time, but the quality of job that we do far surpasses anything that they do, plus what the competitors can do. What I love about seed cleaning is not only help feed the world, but to help the farmer grow the best possible crop and to contribute so positively to the world gives me great satisfaction. We have two main machines that we can offer you. One, a semi-trailer unit which specialises in cereals, and the other, a rigid truck which specialises in legumes. If there's a weed or a particular issue with your grain, we can select the right machine from the start and get the job done right the first time. That's one of the things that sets us apart. Rather than a farmer going out and spending $5,000 and even up to $100,000 on a seed cleaning machine, particularly at harvest time to do a job, we can offer hire machines for you. That just goes hand in hand with the kind of flexibility that we can offer. Unlike our competitors that tell you when they're going to turn up, we like to work in with the schedule that fits with you. At Walco Seed Cleaning, you, the client, always come first. If you'd like more information, feel free to give us a call or enter your details in the box provided for your free download guide to the benefits of seed grading. When it comes to having the best seed, at Walco Seed Cleaning, we will succeed.